While golf is a casual game at heart, its enjoyment is somewhat tied to your skill. This doesn't mean that you have to be Tiger Woods in order to have fun, but missing every swing isn't going to be fun, either. In other words, you need to get decent at the game if you want to get the most out of your golf sessions. The fastest way to improve your skills is with the top golf swing trainers of 2023. These special clubs have heavier heads and extra flexible shafts. Swinging these creates a smooth motion to get your body used to the correct swinging method. Other options also include bands and harnesses that keep your arms in the correct position. Number 1. Lag Shot Golf Swing Trainer. This Lag Shot 7-iron golf swing trainer offers a great learning experience that's both mental and physical. The first benefit of its flexible shaft and the heavy head is that it promotes perfect positioning. It's balanced in a way that your arms will automatically rest at the correct angle when you load the club. Then, as you swing, the center of gravity shifts, and you get a smooth swing with the right tempo and speed. You will notice the improvements in your swing form even after a single session with this trainer club. This trainer is ideal because it's an actual club. Combine this expertly crafted design with premium build quality, and you have the top overall choice on our list. Number 2. Polite Golf Swing Trainer. Not everyone has the time to visit a golf course every time they want to practice. The Polite Golf Swing Trainer Aid solves this issue completely, as it can be used indoors. All you need is the will to practice and a small obstruction-free area in your home, and this golf swing trainer will help you improve your game. The main objective of this trainer is to improve your tempo and positioning, which in turn makes you better at controlling your shot shape. This golf swing trainer is also designed in a way to be beneficial for both beginner and intermediate golfers. You can carry it anywhere and practice indoor day or night. No limit to the usage scenario as the small space. Ideal golf trainer for the urban busy crowd. The added weight on the head combined with a slightly flexible shaft increases your arm strength as well as exercise your waist muscles. Number 3. Skills Golf Swing Trainer. Golf is considered an expensive sport in general, and practice tools don't stray from that either. This Skills Gold Flex Golf Swing Trainer, however, goes against this trend and offers the top value on the market. Its price is less than half of most other golf swing trainers. Having a low price point is one thing, while performance is another, and this trainer doesn't disappoint on that front, either. Its head and shaft are balanced in a way to correct your positioning and enhance your swing with smoother motion. You can also use it as a warm-up tool before starting a session. Easy to use, simply swing the Gold Flex back and forth continually without stopping at impact position, as if swinging to a metronome. The lower price of this golf swing trainer doesn't come at the cost of build quality either. Everything from the grip of this trainer to the weight on the other end is expertly crafted from durable materials. Number 4. Orange Whip Golf Swing Trainer. This Orange Whip Golf Swing Trainer 8 offers one of the most thorough training tools on the market. It works on almost every aspect of your swing and improves each of them individually. All of this is thanks to the patented counterweight system that gets your positioning and swing in order without causing injuries. The fantastic balance of this golf swing trainer also prevents beginners from developing any bad habits that can be detrimental later on in their golf learning journey. This training aid doesn't just help stretch your golf muscles, it also helps build them. Weighing heavier than a standard golf club, the Orange Whip provides a low-impact workout that strengthens your swing with each session. While you can't hit actual golf balls with this trainer, its design provides instant feedback for bad tempo with a distinct wobble. Practicing with this tool will also provide a workout for almost every muscle involved in your swing. Number 5. Callaway Golf Swing Trainer. Callaway takes a unique approach to golf swing training and offers an elastic arm aid instead of a weighted and flexible club. This band goes around both of your arms and stays around your biceps. Its elasticity keeps your arms held in the ideal position throughout the swing so you can get used to the motion, and then you will be able to perform this same motion without the band later. The most ideal part about this type of golf swing trainer is that it lets you use the actual club you use to play golf. You can take practice swings or hit actual balls to see the results. All you have to do is wear this arm aid just above your elbows and swing the club over and over until your arms stop struggling against the elastic band.